to be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. Most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, an educationist and motivator. Today I am taking your second video of invitation. As I have already told you, there are two types of invitations. First one, that is formal. Second one, that is informal. In formal invitation, as you see, there are printed invitations, printed cards. Those are formal invitations. And the invitation that is written in ink by hand, that is informal invitation. In formal invitation, we all have to know it is always in third person, and in informal invitation there is always first person. It means formal third person, informal first person. Now I am taking one formal invitation. In formal invitation, we all have to use different types of letters, and letters are also to be darkened or highlighted. There may be the pics, and a particular invitation is to be bordered beautifully. As I'll tell you line wise, Mrs. and Mr. G.S. Pandey. This is to be brought in first line in capital letters. Then in second line, taking center, 50% matter will go in left, 50% matter will go in right. And again, Mrs. and Mr. G.S. Pandey in first line, request the pleasure of the company of. This is to be brought in next line. If we are personally inviting, then the name of that particular person, Mrs. and Mr. A.K. Singh. Then next line, on the auspicious occasion of the marriage. Then next line, of their daughter. Then under it we have to bring the name of daughter, Radha, with Samir. Then on date, at time. After this, then we have to bring venue. Venue must be with complete address so that the persons may reach. And then in box, we have to bring the program. Box is to be made and program heading. Then first date, name of program, and time. In marriage of daughter, there will be first date, then arrival of Bharat, means Swagat Bharat, then time. Second, that is dinner, date, feast, and time. Then fere, means panigrahan, date, program, and time. Then there is last one, that is bidai, date, program, and time. Then this box is to be closed, and under it in left hand side, RSVP. RSVP, it means the name of that particular company, factory, firm, and in right hand side with best compliments from then XYZ family, friends and relatives. This is actually formal invitation. It may be inviting to attend birthday or for birthday. It may be inviting to attend any function, any program, maybe annual function, silver jubilee celebration, and any type of program which is special program to be highlighted. And if this is the general invitation, then we have to bring in this way. Mrs. and Mr. XYZ request the pleasure of the company of. Then the particular name, if this is general, then we have to change. Mrs. and Mr. XYZ request the pleasure of your company. Here of your company, it will be general. Then again on the auspicious occasion of the marriage of, the birthday of XYZ. If this is actually any program of school, then there will be the management, principal and the staff request the pleasure of your company on the auspicious occasion of the annual function, and then the name of the chief guest, the date, venue, time, all these informations are to be given systematically. And then we have to give the names who are inviting, and those are to be given at the border. Like this, there may be other invitations which are formal invitations. I think you have understood this formal invitation. Thank you very much.